So the house has a reverse osmosis water system at the kitchen sink only. It comes out of this faucet here on the right hand side. All of the reverse osmosis water filtering is done underneath the sink with 5 different filters and a storage tank. The storage tank right here contains a bladder, a pressure bladder, and does not need electricity to operate. Once the bladder is full, it creates pressure. That pressure is then released when it comes out of the spout. There's 5 filtration filters here. They are typically sold in a pack of 5 and you replace them all at once. These were installed in mid-2020 and so they have quite a bit of life on them. There's a QR code here on the left that you can scan to buy replacements. They're available on Amazon for about $100 and you'll get some good life out of this. There's a fire extinguisher kept under here and this is for emergencies in the kitchen. This dishwasher is so quiet that when it's running, you may not even realize it. It's got beautiful stainless steel with LED lights inside. The basket on the right-hand side is completely removable. The baskets in the middle here can be adjusted left and right or taken out. The top drawer has its own water jets, as does the middle drawer. This thing is fantastic. And the controls are all here on the right-hand side. Basically, you hit start, stop, and hold. It'll start blinking. You close the door, it starts. This display here has very little details.